Hey guys, so I'll be showing you how to do project 3, task 3, and this will be for Excel. And it'll be on the Excel Associate Year 2019 exam number 2. And it will also be on training mode. So for task number 1, it says display the cost worksheet in page layout view. Then insert page break between row 20, Cracker Jacker, and row 21, Raspberry Chocolate. So how you would do this task is go to View. On your workbook views, on your ribbon, go to Page Layout View. You go to row 21, which is right over here, and then you highlight the complete row. Then you go to Page Layout. In a page setup on a ribbon, go to Breaks. Click the drop-down arrow and insert page break. And then you mark that task as complete. You move on to task 2. For task 2, it's a used built-in Excel feature to copy all the formatting of cell range A to G2 located on the profit worksheet and apply that formatting to cell A2 on the cost worksheet. And how to get out of this area is you go to View and go back to normal. And how you do for this one is you go on to the profit one, and then it says AG. You go on to the name box. You type AG A2, to G2. Click enter. And for right over here, you go on to home. On the clipboard, on your ribbon, you go click Format Painter. You go back over to the cost worksheet. From there, you just click onto right here, and there you have completed task 2. And you mark that as complete as well. For task 3, it says on the profit worksheet, enter a formula in cell AG9 that uses an Excel function to return the average cost of the cookie dough flavor based on values in the cost column. So double check if you're on the correct worksheet. If you weren't, just click back onto the profit one. And AG9, you can scroll down, or you can go onto the name box, which for me, I love going to the name box, which is this guy over here, because it will save you a lot of time. And right here it says the average cost per flavor. So how you would do that is equal average, open bracket, and then here you just highlight this and then you drag it down. And then you can also do it from here too. You can close back the parentheses. And there you have it, 1.73. That task marked as complete. For task number 4, on the profit worksheet, include the cost profit data on the flavor, expense, income, and profit chart. So double check if you're on the profit worksheet, which you are, and then you click onto the chart. Right over here, you can see these two are now activated. From there, you go on to chart design. For the data on your ribbon, you click select data. And then here, total profit, you check it off. You click OK. And now, as you can tell, there is now more data that has been added. Task 4 is now complete. Task 5. Filter the profit worksheet to display only flavors with a cost that is average above. This might be a little bit tricky for you guys, but for me, you can click the drop down arrow and then you go to number filter. From the number filter, you go to above average. And right now it is displaying all the above average. Mark as complete. These should all be correct. And let's see how I did. Great project. And everything is correct. On my next video, I will show you guys how to do project number 4. So, see you next time.